Alright, this video, right here, it's about, cause, these happen to show up, finally. They're they were on my house, the brochures that came with my Rheem furnace and, air conditioner. I open it up, it's like this, its own folder right here. Fort Smith, Arkansas, where it's Rheem products are made, or at least, you know, Rheem or Lexus Rheem, and then open it up. Look at that. Very nice brochure. It's really good condition. I'm kind of glad I found this. I mean, got the whole diagram and everything, all the parts. I mean, I'm really happy right now that I found this. I mean, Criterion 2 gas furnace, integrated furnace control, shows the blower board and stuff, induced draft blower. And anyone who owns this furnace knows that the draft inducer is not quiet, even though it says it right there. It says the blower quietly, and the stupid camera won't focus, the blower quietly and reliably pulls hot combustion gases through the exchanger and vents and safely outdoors when the furnace is in the heating cycle. Well, I'll tell you right now, it's not that quiet. It's actually pretty loud. It's got that siren type sound it makes. I don't like it, but nothing I can really do about it. You know, I can live with it, but it's just kind of loud at some points. Like put a video up a dryer and the furnace turned on and you can barely hear anything, but anyways, ignition, gas valve, in-shot burners, heat exchanger, high efficiency blower unit, and the filter thing, which we don't actually have, I don't think. Anyways, so then it shows the different furnaces right there, the Rheems. Those are probably like 2 stages and stuff. Some of these right here, those are 90%. There's different ways it can be mounted: upflow, horizontal, and downflow. Long lines of dependability, criteria for quietly and reliability. Alright, well, so that's this one, the my Rheem Criterion brochure. Now this is this one right here. I also got the 90% brochure. I also got the air conditioner in a second, I'll show that, but let me show this one first. So this is 90%. Again, the diagram. It's a little different. It's got a different draft inducer. It's probably quieter. Direct spark ignition, gas valve manifold, in-shot burners, and it's got a little different heat exchanger, but that's because it's 90%. It's a more efficient heat exchanger. So there's all the stuff. Again, it shows the positions and shows where it's been used, but I think the reason why my parents probably chose this one, I mean the 80%, was because probably the price at the time. But 90%, I'm not crazy about it. I think the 80% is probably a little more reliable and less expensive to repair. Pretty much got the same pictures, except a little different, you know, the furnace parts. Look at that. I'll show you. Look at that for a second. Pause the video or whatever you need to do. This is 90 right here. Classic 90 plus. And then the parts. And the parts for the 80. So anyways, yeah, these are 2002 furnace Brouchures and stuff. Alright, now here's the last one, which is air conditioning. It's a very nice one too. I like the print and everything, the font they used. But there's pretty much, that's what my Rheem it looks like. Again, you got a diagram, nice diagram of it. You got the multi-flex coil, shows what it features, the whole air conditioner, and then I got the filtration system and the humidifier, and an April air humidifier, not a Rheem. Show the Rheem. Well, actually, I think it's made by Honeywell, but it's got a Rheem logo on it. The Chrome T8600 Chromotherm 3 thermostat. I believe that's made by Honeywell. But they just have a Rheem logo on it. And there's an air conditioner. A Rheem. I think that one's a. That one is a 12 SEER in the picture right there. 2002 or something like that, 12 SEER. And then there's a furnace again. Scroll compressor on the inside. So, you know, I'm happy I found these because they're in real good shape because no one ever touches them. I knew they were around somewhere, but so mine is a 10 SEER. It's only backed by a 5-year limited warranty. If it was a 12, 13, or 14 SEER, it'd be backed by a 10, which would be nice. But you know, it's only backed. Most people only bought the 10 and 11 SEER. Not many people bought the 12, 13, or 14. But now it's common. It's one of the lowest SEERs. Anyways, this video is getting a little long, so I'm going to stop it. April air humidifier information. It's just a whole bunch of garbage on how to hook it up and stuff. Not garbage, but it's nothing that important. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's the video right there. Alright, if you have any questions, just ask. Maybe I'll look them. I might eventually scan these and put a photo video up of them so you guys can look at them a little better. This has real nice Brouchures, nice condition. So yeah, alright, over and out.